Saro, how do we know if we packed everything? What if we forget something super important? Like this.
Hello kids! This is Captain AHS. Have you ever made a to-do list and felt like everything was all mixed up? Bullet points and numbering help organize information neatly so it's easy to read and follow. Today, we'll explore how these simple tools can turn messy text into clear, structured lists.
Baba, I don't know what to do. My room is so messy. I don't even know where to start.
Whoa! It looks like a toy tornado hit your room.
It's not my fault. Every time I try to clean, I forget where I put things.
It sounds like you need a plan. Let's make a list to organize everything. Let's make a list of your toys.
Oh! That looks so neat!
These bullet points help us group similar toys together. Instead of thinking about everything at once, we can tackle one group at a time.
So first, I put all the stuffed animals in the toy chest.
Yes. Now move to the next point, building blocks.
Yay! That was easy!
See? Bullet points make everything organized and easy to follow.
Saro, how do we know if we packed everything? What if we forget something super important? Like this. This numbered list makes sure we do everything in order. Oh, so we don't just grab things randomly? Exactly. Numbered lists are great when we need to follow steps one by one. Wait. This is number 4. We have to do number 1 first, set up the tent. Good catch. If we didn't have numbers, we might have packed our sleeping bags but had no tent to sleep in. This is so smart. I'm going to start using numbered lists for my homework, too. Oh no. My slide looks awful. It's just a huge wall of text.
Mina, this is too much for the audience to read. You need bullet points for quick facts and numbered steps for processes. Let's edit the document.
Whoa! That looks so much better.
See? Bullet points highlight important ideas, and numbered lists make step-by-step processes easy to follow.
Now it's time for the quiz. What is the main purpose of using bullet points in a document? Option A, to write long paragraphs. Option B, to highlight important ideas in a clear and organized way. Option C, to make a list of steps that must be followed in order. Option B, to highlight important ideas in a clear and organized way. When should you use numbering instead of bullet points? Option A, when listing steps that must be followed in a specific order. Option B, when writing a random grocery list. Option C, when making a list of favorite movies. Option A, when listing steps that must be followed in a specific order. Which of the following is an example of when to use bullet points? Option A, writing a recipe with step-by-step instructions. Option B, listing items needed for a project. Option C, writing a full story. Option B, listing items needed for a project. What is the advantage of using numbered lists? Option A, they help organize steps in a sequence. Option B, they make text more colorful. Option C, they replace paragraphs completely. Option A, they help organize steps in a sequence. Which tool in a word processor allows you to create bullet points and numbered lists? Option A, spell check. Option B, print preview. Option C, formatting toolbar. Option C, formatting toolbar. Great job learning about bullet points and numbering. Now that we can organize information clearly, it's time to take it a step further. Up next, we'll explore basic page layout, how to arrange text, images, and spacing to make documents look neat and professional. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.